You can also define a topsoil area. So on the takeoff tab, there is a define takeoff or topsoil command. So what this is going to do is define the area of topsoil that you're going to strip. So over here, when you run the command, you can put a thickness. So if we're removing 6 inches, you can see it's in inches. You can then define what that material is. So if I go to on-site topsoil, I can set up a new material, my material site improvement manager, but this is going to be on-site topsoil, so I can use that maybe for respread later on in my takeoff calculations. Down here you pick the boundary, so I can come in and just pick this boundary and then go ahead and add that, and you can see that it's got one topsoil stripping area. You can also digitize if need to, so you can digitize and trace an area that you want to strip on your project or on your site. So this just defines it. You can define others, and once you do that, when you rebuild or build the takeoff surfaces, you'll get a new surface that will be topsoil stripped. So you'll see here when I click on build surfaces, it's going to recalculate everything, and what it's going to do is create an original ground with topsoil surface. So you have to use the original ground category to build the original ground category surface, and therefore this boundary is going to be applied to that original ground. So that's what Business Center recognizes as the topsoil area that you're stripping. So you're stripping from the original ground when you use this command.